Have you ever taken a moment to really look at your fingers? Maybe you've measured them out of curiosity, or just compared them with a friend's. It might seem like a random thing to do, but what if I told you that your fingers could be hiding a fascinating secret about your brain? That's right, your hands might be giving away clues about your brain power, and you probably never even realized it. It's not just palm reading or fortune telling, this is real science, and it all starts with a simple glance at your own hand. Scientists have been studying the connection between our bodies and our brains for decades, and one of the most surprising discoveries is that the secret to your brain size might literally be at your fingertips. No, seriously, your fingers can reveal more than you think. So go ahead, take a look at your hand right now. Hold it up, palm facing you, and focus on your fingers. Pay special attention to your index finger and your ring finger. These two fingers are the stars of this story. You might notice that one is a little longer than the other, or maybe they're almost the same length. The difference in length between your index finger, that's your second digit or 2D, and your ring finger, your fourth digit or 4D, is called the 2D-4D ratio. This ratio is actually a hot topic in scientific research. Here's where it gets really interesting. If your ring finger is noticeably longer than your index finger, you might just have a bigger brain in certain areas, especially the parts that handle spatial awareness and reasoning skills. It's not just a quirky coincidence, there's real data behind this. Multiple studies have found that people with a lower 2D-4D ratio, that means their ring finger is longer than their index finger, tend to have larger regions in the brain linked to things like spatial skills, logical thinking, and even athletic ability. It's like your hands are giving you a sneak peek into your own brain's blueprint. But why does this happen? The answer goes all the way back to before you were even born. While you were still developing in the womb, your body was being shaped by a cocktail of hormones. These prenatal hormones, especially testosterone and estrogen, don't just influence your finger lengths. They also play a huge role in how your brain develops. So in a way, your hands are like a time capsule, holding clues from your earliest days. Think about it. Every time you look at your hands, you're seeing a snapshot of your own personal history, a record of the hormones that helped shape both your body and your mind. It's a little bit of science magic, right at your fingertips. So now I'm curious, grab a friend or a family member and compare your finger lengths. You might be surprised at how much variety there is, even among people you know well. Is your ring finger longer or shorter than your index finger? And what about your friends? It's a fun little experiment you can do anywhere, anytime. Let me know in the comments below, are you a long ring finger or a long index finger person? I'd love to see what the Science Squad has to say about our little community's hands. But remember, this isn't a foolproof IQ test or a way to predict your future. It's just one of those weird, fascinating connections between our bodies and our brains that science is still working to fully understand. So next time you're bored or just want to impress someone with a quirky science fact, show them your hands and tell them what you've learned. Our bodies are full of these hidden stories, just waiting to be discovered. If you thought this was as cool as I do, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more surprising science facts and fun discoveries. There's so much more to learn about the amazing connections between our bodies and our brains. So next time you glance at your fingers, remember, they might just be smarter than you think, and they're definitely more interesting than you ever imagined.